So this is a 2025 Laika, which is one of the best camper makes, they're Italian, Ecovip, 645, so it's a long wheelbase, 6.5 metres long. It's on the higher chassis, so obviously it can carry a bit more weight. And it's got the 9-speed automatic, but what's great, it's got the uprated top of the range 180 horsepower engine. A lot of these are 130, which are underpowered, but this is the upgraded 180 9-speed auto. It's on the bigger wheels with the better tyres, so that's an upgrade. It's got absolutely loads of upgrades. This car, brand new, was 96 or I think 98,000 pounds. So at 79,950 for a 25 plate that's done 2,500 miles, it's an absolute bargain at 79,950. Obviously we offer a price match if you can find like for like. I'll go through the spec with you, what it's got. But it's got the comfort pack, it's got a few chassis packs. They're all listed on the website in the description. It's got the Thule pull-out awning. It's got the electric side step. Like I said, it's got quite a lot of extras. It's got the upgraded Napa leather, cream leather. It's got the upgraded steering wheel. It's got the sat nav. It's got the reverse camera. It's got the open skylight. It's got the blind. Obviously beautiful inside, typical of the Italians. So it's got the table, it's got the two-seater chair there. These swivel round to make a nice lounge. It's got the upgraded heating system that can run on the, so it's the upgraded heating system, so it can run on the diesel as well, so much better. It's got the cushions as well, which are an extra. It's got the bigger fridge, obviously the shower. That comes, where is it? That there. Bear with me. So I'll have to film and do both. That makes into the shower. This is amazing. It's a big, massive rear lounge. So you can sit in it, look. Loads and loads of space. It's got the upgraded television. It's got also the water heater for the winter on the water tank, which is an upgrade. So it's got, if you read on the description, it's got £16,000 worth of upgrades. At 79,950, it's probably the cheapest 645 180 horsepower with the chassis pack and the comfort pack and all the other packs. That again, I keep saying, they're in the description, everything. It's amazing value, 2,500 miles. Going in for its check, it's at Laika in August, which is next month, so that'll be included in the price, which is saving about £400. So this rear lounge, it makes into two singles, or you can have it as a lounge, which is great because you've got two lounge areas. Gives it a feeling of space. Or, so you've got this front lounge, you've got the back lounge, or you can make it by pulling this out here, this section here. Just bear with me. These come out here, they go across, both of them, and then basically that makes into a massive double bed, which you can have, you can lie horizontal or vertical. And then you've got storage under there. Like I said, it's got the upgraded fridge. Come and look at it, it's on our website. It belongs to the general manager's wife. She's no longer using it because obviously they've got horses and it's not getting used, so they decided to sell it, but it's fantastic value at that price. It's got loads of extras, and the beauty of it, the bigger engine, it just pulls like a train. So it's a Laika 645 Ecovip, 6.5 metres long, with boatloads of extras. We can do finance. We can do finance up to 10 years on a camper. We can do part exchange. Give us a shout.